support us from the 9th of July till the finals on the 26th of July. The weekends will have double headers.
अनुभव कसा असेल आणि सेकंड गोष्ट म्हणजे आत्ता मिक्स पेअर असो पेअर असो त्यामध्ये फॉरेन प्लेअर बरोबर खेळण्याचा आणि इंडियन प्लेअर बरोबर खेळण्याचा तो अनुभव कसा असेल.
I'm just going to translate this. He spoke about your and Yashaswini's pairing recently in Singapore, so tell us about that. And he also said it's different when you pair up with an Indian player, and in UTT you could be paired up with a foreign player when you're playing the mixed doubles. So how different is it to get that synchrony and to get that chemistry with a complete foreign player? So tell us first about Yashas and you in Singapore.
So actually we played really well in the US Smash just now. Me and Yashaswini, we played the quarterfinals and now we have reached world rank 11 in the women doubles. So that was a very big achievement for us. You know, we have been playing since a few years now, but we were really glad that it clicked at the right time. You know, going into the Asian Games preparation and also, I mean, I think we're on the right track and doing the right thing. So we're just going to keep going and try giving our best.
And playing with the foreign players.
So yeah, like I said, you know, UTT is completely different. Normally, if me and Manush are playing together, and now if I'm playing with somebody else and playing maybe against Manush, so of course we both know, you know, our strengths and weaknesses, but it's definitely going to be an amazing game when we are out there. I know what he wants me to play, and he knows the same. So I'm really looking forward to this, and hopefully it's going to be a lot of fun.
Okay, thank you so much.
They need to follow their dreams because every day is a new challenge. You have to fight and practice a lot every day, and you have to know what you have, why you go to the hall, and when you are in the hall, you have to focus just on the practice. You cannot think to other things because every minute is very important. It's very important to believe in yourself, and even if you one tournament is not going as well you wish, you have to focus more and don't give up. You have to fight always and try to give your best. Many times I lost, but losing always give me a lot of more patience. I am a fighter. I never give up, and I really believe in my dreams. And yes, that's why I am where I am now, because I never give up. And I believe in the future and in my dreams.